Salut tout le monde. You already know how to say sentence like je parle français, I speak French but how do we say I don't speak French? Or do you speak French? Today, we'll learn how to say no and how to ask question, two things you use every single day in real conversation. Allez, c'est parti. Let's get started. In French, to make a sentence negative, you don't just add not. You surround the verb with two words, ne and pas. For example, je parle français, I speak French. To make it negative, just say je ne parle pas français, I don't speak French. Next, il mange une pomme means he eats an apple. To say he doesn't eat an apple, say il ne mange pas de pomme. Notice how une pomme became de pomme. After pas, we use de. Lastly, nous travaillons means we work. And nous ne travaillons pas means we don't work. So, you can see, ne goes before the verb, pas goes after. Also remember, when your verb starts with a vowel, ne becomes an apostrophe. Je n'aime pas le café, I don't like coffee. Il n'écoute pas la musique, he doesn't listen to music. So, the ne goes before the verb and pas after. Easy, right? Je chante, je ne chante pas. Tu étudies, tu n'étudies pas. Notice, before a vowel, ne becomes an apostrophe. Now, here's a secret, in spoken French, people often drop the ne. So, je ne parle pas français becomes simply je parle pas français. Je ne parle pas français. Is, formal, and je parle pas français. Is, casual, so depending on where you are, classroom or café, you hear both versions. Now that you know ne. Pas, let's look at a few other negative words that work the same way. You already know ne. Pas means not. But we can also say, ne. Jamais, means never. Example, je ne mange jamais de viande. I never eat meat. Ne. Plus, means no longer or not anymore. Example, il ne travaille plus ici. He no longer works here. Ne. Rien, means nothing. Example, je ne vois rien. I see nothing. Ne. Personne, means no one. Example, je ne connais personne. I know no one. All of these follow the same rule, ne before the verb, the second word after. These expressions make your French sound more natural and expressive. Now, now that you can say no, let's learn how to ask question. In French, there are three main ways to ask question. The easiest way is you just keep the sentence as it is and raise your voice at the end. Example, tu parles français? You speak French? Or, tu aimes la musique? You like music? Tu regardes la télé? You watch television? Super simple and natural, perfect for everyday conversation. This is like adding do you in English. The second way, you ask before the statement. Example, est-ce que tu parles français? Do you speak French? Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Do you like chocolate? Est-ce que vous travaillez demain? Do you work tomorrow? You can use est-ce que in any tense, it always works and always sounds polite. The last way, you flip the verb and the subject pronoun, and add a hyphen. Examples, parles-tu français? Do you speak French? Aimes-tu le café? Do you like coffee? Travailles-tu aujourd'hui? Are you working today? This is used in writing, news, or formal speech. But in daily talk, est-ce que or intonation is more common? Great. Now let's make those questions more detailed using question words, like who, what, where, and when. Listen carefully and repeat. Who means where? Example, où habites-tu? Where do you live? Quand means when? Example, quand est-ce que tu travailles? When do you work? Pourquoi means why. Example, pourquoi tu ris? Why are you laughing? Comment means how. Example, comment ça va? How are you? Qui means who. Example, qui est-ce, who is it? Que or qu'est-ce que means what. Example, qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? These question words make your French sound rich and complete. You can now ask for information, not just yes no question. Let's practice together. Example 1, est-ce que tu parles espagnol? Non, je ne parle pas espagnol. Example 2, tu travailles le dimanche? Non, je ne travaille pas le dimanche. Example 3, qu'est-ce que tu fais le week-end? Je regarde des films. Excellent. You just used both negation and question. Amazing progress. Once your brain gets used to SNE. Pas un est-ce que, speaking becomes automatic. Super. Today, you learned how to say no and how to ask question in French. You can now say things like je ne parle pas anglais or est-ce que tu parles français? Now it's your turn. Comment Bilo, je ne parle pas. And tell me a language you don't speak. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun French lessons. À bientôt.